Friends, people often ask me, brother, why we are not always motivated, what should we do so that we are always motivated? And in today's video, I'm going to solve your same problem. Friends, motivation is an emotion, and according to different situations, many emotions keep fluctuating in our body. As we laugh, cry, we get angry. But none of these emotions stay with us forever, and this is what happens with our motivation. But friends, motivation is such a thing, which acts as fuel in the vehicle of your life, and without this your vehicle cannot run. So what should be done so that this motivational emotion of ours remains always? And that's why I designed some 5 tricks, which will always help you to stay motivated. Trick number 1. Find your purpose. Friends, whenever we start something new, at that time we are very energetic and focused. But with time, both energy and focus start decreasing, and in such a situation, we start looking for outside motivation. But here we forget that, as much as we need external motivation, much more than that, we need our inner motivation, and it is our inner motivation, our purpose, our goal, our dreams, and this is the only thing that can keep us motivated 24/7, so see dreams with open eyes, who gives the strength to rise back even after losing many times. Trick number 2. Forget the fellows. Friends, most of the time we lose our motivation, when we are unable to achieve our goals, or we fail in it, and the solution is, divide your big goals into small pieces, so that we can achieve that goal step by step. After achieving those small steps, the feeling of accomplishment, it multiplies our motivation. If the thought of giving up due to failure comes to mind, so remember, Dashrat Maji was late for 25 years, to break the mountain and make a way. Success is like this, it will take time but we'll definitely get it. Trick number 3. Reward yourself. Friends, the third trick to stay motivated is reward yourself. That is, whenever you get success in any work or in your goal, so instead of giving yourself some reward, like whatever you like, you can gift yourself, like I like to travel, and whenever I achieve a goal, I plan a trip to reward myself, and the same thing motivates me to work on my other goals. Trick number 4. Get rid of unwanted things. Friends, there are many such things in our life. There are people, there are memories, which always demotivate us. Get rid of such things, such people, and such memories, as soon as possible from yourself. Trick number 5. Never lose your confidence. Friends, sometimes due to many reasons, we lose our confidence, and to some extent our motivation. It is related to our confidence down and motivation down. So always remember, that you are the only creation of the one above, which no one can replace. Because there is no one like you in this whole world, and when you keep such an attitude, then both your confidence and motivation will remain intact. And if you also have any tricks to stay motivated always, then definitely tell in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe the channel by liking the video. Thank you for watching.